Hey guys, I'm Mary.
I'm Taylor. And I'm Jordan.
And we're professional on the Calvin volleyball team, and we're gonna give you a locker room tour. Let's go. Okay, here is what you see when you walk in. So here we have Seaball Legacy, and your name gets put up here if you play all 4 years. And look, coach's name is right here. Oh, yes. You wanna show the snacks?
This is our fridge with all our chocolate milk. These are our snack drawers.
We love snacks in here.
I love our snack drawers. So many snacks.
Be a 10. That's just one of the things that you look at when you go out the door to know that you're 10 always. Here's our beautiful, amazing locker room. It's gorgeous.
These are our comfy chairs. The best that we all fight over.
We love to relax in here.
Yes.
And the nice thing is that we get this all year round. Yeah, we love to nap and do some homework.
Okay.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's glowing.
So this is just what the inside of our lockers look like.
So we all have like a little bin, our backpacks, and whatever else. And then we all got to choose our favorite Bible verse, and that got taped right here. And then like little inspirational quotes. And then we keep our shoes down here.
So we each have our own individual nameplate, which is really cool. And then we each have our own little, what is that? Love language
yes,
on those, yep.
We have obviously our amazing trophies up here and our TV. We sometimes watch film in here. Over here, the beloved speaker that we have wonderful dance parties in here too. We love this thing. And then here we got all the amazing things that our program has done, like All-Americans and National Player of the Years and how far we went in the tournament. So yeah, that is our amazing locker room.
And we love it.
We do love it.
We love it. It's great. Especially the chairs. The chairs are the best
Yes,
part.
so thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope you loved our locker room.